Action, here we go. It is Friday here at Low VA Rates. I guess it's Friday everywhere. And I'm wearing red as normal. We like to support the troops on Friday. We support the troops every day, but Friday is a special day where we wear red in remembering everyone deployed. Now, if you're watching us today on Google Hangouts, you can take pictures of yourself or your friends and family wearing red on Fridays, and you can do a hashtag Red Friday, or you can upload your picture to Facebook, or what's the other one, Instagram, and you can tag Low VA Rates, and we will mail you shirts for you and your family. So check that out on our Facebook page. Today, as you can tell, we are talking about a very hot topic on the interwebs, on the internet. It is the VA prepayment penalty. And I don't understand it. When I'm talking to my marketing department and all the gurus we have working here at the internet, why is this a trending topic? There's no such thing as a VA prepayment penalty. So I don't know, maybe it's the same way people are always talking about Santa Claus in December. VA prepayment penalties do not exist, yet they are a topic of concern, so we're going to talk about it today. Prepayment penalties are real, that is true. But because of your service, because of your sacrifice, and because of your hard-earned VA home loan benefits, you do not have to pay a penalty if you refinance your loan really quickly after buying your home, or if you just refinanced a couple of months ago and interest rates have tanked again and you want to take advantage of another refinance. That's your right. No lender, no loan officer, no bank can penalize you for doing it. We are going to talk about, however, this underlying misconception or concern that some of our competitors out there are instituting or creating, I guess I should say, by putting fear in front of our consumers, specifically our VA borrowers, by telling them, well, Mr. Veteran or Mrs. Veteran, we just did your loan at this great rate of 4% 3 months ago, and if you refinance before a certain future date, my boss is going to penalize me and he's going to take my commission back, and they're going to try to give you this sob story as to why you shouldn't lower your rate. Now, listen, we are not condoning that anybody gets their commissions or their paychecks taken back from them. However, maybe they should have thought about that before they put you at 4% just 3 or 4 months ago when we were putting people down in the low threes and even lower on our adjustable rate mortgages. But this is not to attack other people. The fact of the matter is, we live in a society, a free society, thanks to those military veterans and those that are serving now, where people can say what they want. And they are going to get penalized. My loan officers, if you do a loan with us and you refinance or you sell your home within 180 days or 6 months, we get penalized. That's just part of life, though. You need to be worrying about yourself, and you need to be getting yourself the lowest possible interest rate you can, which is right now, actually, which is where I'll end in just a minute. So, is there such thing as a VA prepayment penalty? No, there's not. It didn't exist back before the housing collapse when everybody was putting prepayment penalties on loans, and it doesn't exist today because the VA, the Department of Veterans Affairs, was smart enough to realize we're not going to penalize veterans for refinancing or selling their home when they want to. So if someone's telling you there's a penalty, make them watch this video. Now let's talk about the opportunity that we have today. Interest rates are at an all-time low for this year. They're very close to a historic low. I've been in the mortgage world doing VA loans since 1997. I started as an actual career and not just a part-time job in the year 2000. And interest rates are almost as low as they were back at the absolute bottom. So if you've been waiting for a time to refinance, do it now. The Fed meets on June 15th. They may raise rates. I don't know if when they raise rates, what that's going to do to VA mortgage rates, but common sense would suggest that when the Fed starts raising rates, VA rates may follow suit. So please, refinance now. Give us a call. You can call us toll free. You can also just click on the little icon that my design team is going to throw on this video any moment now, or you can just visit us online. But thanks for watching. This is Eric with Low VA Rates, and please remember, everyone deploy. Wear your red.